to show you how to make you don't let's show you how to make simple music for your pixel art games. Something simple, nothing too epic. So, a bit of a warning, I'm not a musician and I don't know anything about music. So what I want to show you is how to use this program, and if you do have some sort of background in music, you might be able to do something better. My take on this is that if I can make something with this thing, if you have some knowledge of music, you might be able to do a lot better. Actually, even if you don't know anything about music, you might still be able to like pull out something better than the randomness I'm going to pull out right now. But even if you don't know any music, if you spend time with this program, you will be able to create your own music for your games. Okay, so download the program. It's free. The link is down below. So let's go file new. And let's go start from template. I'm going to use the rap hip hop template. And here, if you press this button here, you can generate random beats. So let's click on it. I don't like that. Try another one. Try another one. Not bad. Next. How's that a beat? That's just like two drums. Not bad, a bit old school. No. No. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, so I'm not entirely happy with it, but I think I'm gonna go for this one. Okay, so we're gonna go to let me see, bass. Okay, so go to bass here, and we're gonna use this here. It's called Atlanta. Oh, is it 08? I don't know. Okay, so here I made some notes here earlier, but I thought I memorized it, but I didn't. Let me get this to sound a bit more bassy. That sounds cool there. Okay, so I'm gonna go for A here. So find A. This is A. And let me see. We're gonna go for F. I think any F will work. Sharp or not sharp. D. I need a D here. Here we go. I like that. That sounds cool. So let's multiply this by 4. Okay, that's gonna be our little song. Okay, like a mini song for your games. So now all I have to do is a whole shift here, and I'm going to drop this. Let me see, all the way down to the bottom here. Okay, so for the next one, higher here, so it's gonna end in G. And then okay, the next one is gonna end on G. Okay, so go to the next one. Whenever it gets to G there, let's play it back again. Okay, so go back here again. Select this one, this one, this one. And I'm gonna place it right there. And play it. Okay. So go to the first one. And I'm going to do the same thing for this one here. Hold shift. Okay, let's go to this one here. I would say this would end in G. And what you let me see what this sounds like this. So let me just bring it up higher. Okay, let it play through. Okay, it's not too bad. All right. Okay, so sort of guesswork until something sounds okay. So if it doesn't sound good, so just go back and do something until it sounds okay. All right. Here, this. Okay, so if you click here on lead, this will take you to this, which sounds pretty retro, if you ask me. Let me try this fantasy. And let me just go to G here and press play. Okay, and let me just loop it here and reverse it, I guess. Okay, repeat it. And repeat the same thing again. Okay, this doesn't sound okay. Okay, that sounds like a good loop there. So basically, you can actually just copy all these. Let me just. I believe there is a way to select all these at once. Just not sure how. And paste. So this is the second one. Okay, so let me just paste this here again. Exaggerate. Okay, not that one, not that one, not that one. I think the second one sort of needs, like, I don't know. Okay, that's good there. Let me just drag this in here. And we can follow the same thing, just a bit higher. Okay, and I'm gonna go for, I think you should probably do the same thing. F, and what's the other one? Z. Okay, there you go. And let me see at the bottom here. And I guess just basically copy this. Paste it, and try it out. here in this one, just paste this one again, paste it here again, and drop it, and play it through. So let me just see. Okay, so to compose the song, you can go over here and drag these pieces over here. Now, if you have more, for example, like if you copy the beginning, you can have one part where you suppress, I guess, the guitar. Let me just completely get rid of it on the second one. So let me simply piece this together, and this will last roughly about 1 minute and 20 seconds. I think that's enough for a small game, and we're going to export this as an MP3. So let's go export song, MP3. You can select from I guess just MP3. I thought you could do WAV. So hit export, and that's now going to export our MP3 so you can use it in your games. Robot Cave, and you can see that I made another 3 songs there earlier. So let me just open this here now. Bebop.